Hello, you're welcome. How to solve this nice exponential equation? Solution from here. And what we have here, this follows when we have a raised to power n minus n, same thing as a raised to power n over a raised to power n. So this here we have 8 raised to power x over 8 squared equals to 80 from here. This same thing as 8 raised to power x over a squared times 8, that's 64. Equals to, you can write it as 80 over 1. The next step, we cross multiply 8 raised to power x times 1, same thing as 8 raised to power x, equals to, here we have 80 times 64. The next step here, we take the log on both sides. Here we have log 8 raised to power x equals to log 80 times 64 here. Then next step here, we apply the power law of logarithm. When we have log n raised to power p is same thing as p log m. As this here we have x log 8 equals to log 80 times 64 here. The next step here, divide both sides by log 8. As this here, divide this side by log 8. Also, divide this side by log 8. Here we have log 8 cancel each other. This becomes x equals to log 80 times 64 over log 8. Then this follows from the law of logarithm. When we have log a times b, this same thing as log a plus log b. This here we have x equals to log 80 plus log 64 over log 8. Then here we separate this into two fractions. We have x equals to log 80 over log 8 plus log 64 over log 8. Then next step here, we can write 64 as 8 times 8, that's 8 square. And we have x equals to log 80 over log 8 plus log 8 square over log 8. That is, we apply the power law of logarithm. 2 comes here and we have x equals to log 80 over log 8 plus 2 log 8 over log 8. Then here log 8 cancel each other. We have 2 left here, which implies x equals to log 80 over log 8 plus 2. Then also here we can write 80 as 8 times 10. And we have x equals to log 8 times 10 over log 8 plus 2. Then this also follows the law of logarithm, and we have x equals to log 8 plus log 10 over log 8 plus 2. Then separate this into two fractions. We have x equals to log 8 over log 8 plus log 10 over log 8 plus 2. Here log 8 cancelled each other. We have 1 left. And what we have becomes x equals to 1 plus 2, that's 3, and plus log 10 over log 8. Then next step here also, we can write 10 as 2 times 5. And this here we have x equals to 3 plus log 2 times 5 over log 8. And this also follows the law of logarithm. And we have x equals to 3 plus log 2 plus log 5 over log 8. Then we separate this into two fractions and we have x equals to 3 plus log 2 over log 8 plus log 5 over log 8. That is, from here we can write it as 2 times 2 times 2, which is 2 raised to power 3. And this becomes x equals to 3 plus log 2 over log 2 raised to power 3 plus log 5 over log 2 raised to power 3. Then we apply the power of logarithm. 3 comes here and also here. We have x equals to 3 plus log 2 over 3 log 2 plus log 5 over 3 log 2. Here log 2 cancelled each other. This equals x equals to 3 plus 1 over 3 plus also here we have 1 over 3 times log 5 over log 2. That is, from here we have x equals to 3 plus 1 over 3. You can write it as 10 over 3 and plus 1 over 3 log 5 over log 2. That is, here we apply change of base when we have log a over log b. This is the same thing as log a to base b. That is, here we have x equals to 10 over 3 plus 1 over 3 log 5 is 2. Then we bring this together as one fraction. We have x equals to the LCM made as 3. Here we have 10 plus log 5 base 2. That is, we have the value of x here. Then let's check if this satisfies this given problem. We substitute the value of x here, which is x equals to 10 plus log 5 base 2 all over 3. That is, what we have here becomes 8 raised to power 10 plus log 5 base 2 all over 3 minus 2 is equals to 80 on this side. And here we bring this power together as well. This 2 over 1, we have 8 raised to power. The LCM made as 3. And here we have 10 plus log 5 base 2 minus 6 here is equals to 80 on this side. This 10 minus 6 here, that's 4. We have 8 raised to power 4 plus log 5 base 2 all over 3 is equals to 80 on this side. Then here 8 can be written as 2 raised to power 3, which is raised to power 4 plus log 5 base 2 all over 3 is equals to 80 on this side. This power multiplies. 3 here cancel each other. We have 2 raised to power 4 plus log 5 base 2 is equals to 80 on this side. That is, here, this also follows when we have a raised to power n plus n. Same thing as a raised to power n times a raised to power n. As this here we have 2 raised to power 4 times 2 raised to power log 5 base 2 is equals to 80 on this side. And 2 raised to power 4, that's 16. And then this follows when we have a raised to power log b to base a, which is equals to b. As this here we have 5. is it equals to 80 here? And 60 times 5 equals 80. Is equals to 80 from here. Left hand side equals to the right hand side. And therefore, we conclude that x equals to 10 plus log 5 is 2 all over 3. Satisfy this given problem. And thank you for watching. Don't forget these steps. Subscribe for more videos. And turn notification bell on. Share this video with your thumbs up and put your comments. See you next class and bye for now.